Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Tara Education Project video tutorial series for the PHP and database programming. And in this session number 11, we are going to discuss how to delete a record from a form using the WAMP server. So just first of all, we are creating a PHP file and create a form. Okay, we save it with the name of delete information form. Okay, first of all we need to create a method title delete student record, something like this. God. Using get method. Okay. Student record deletion, and here we create a method form. Method will be get, and action we will make this in a few moments. Now we create the primary key of our table, and for this thing we just open the Mozilla Firefox and check our database, and the database is here. In the last lectures we created this file, and the quality database we created in the connections file here. Okay, we will open the Mozilla Firefox, and here we will open the localhost file. We will go to the PHP MyAdmin. PHP MyAdmin. The system was slow. Okay, the system was on. And here is our database, quality database, which we are created in the last lectures. And now we are going to select the student table and find the primary key of our table. So the primary key is the ID, so we'll take the ID in the student, something like this, roll number, and then use input type is equal to number, because we are taking the primary key as integer, and name is equal to SID, something like this. Okay, now we are inserting another element of HTML. Input type is equal to submit, and we will submit the form. Now we will create another file, and name this file as a student record deletion. And in the action we will remove such all the data, and then we need to add the action here and link the action with the file student record deletion. Okay, now this work is completed, and now first of all we will get the value of the SID and include the void of the connection, include, and we use connection.php and after that we will use s roll number something is equal to get method dollar sign underscore get method, and here we will use sid. It is better to show this id first, because if there is kind of an error, then we can find it easily at this stage. Now I will run this file, clear and from. The file is loading. Okay, now I will enter the value like 25 and submit that, whether the value was submitted on SID. So there is some error, and this error means that this is the wrong SIDE we entered. So undefined index means that the variable are not found. Here is the name is the SID, and we must give the SID here. Okay, now we will save it and refresh it once again. Now you can see that this 25 is here. Now what is the next process? We will write a query, and I am going to write a query with the name, sorry, control C, dollar sign del query, and here we will write delete from student table where id is equal to comma SID as roll number. Okay, this is the complete query, and now we will run the query is equal to mysqli underscore query, and in this first we will give the argument of the con MySQL link, and the second one is the del query. Okay, now we will get the message if not dollar sign run query, then we will show a message echo unable to delete the student record due to, and get the mysqli underscore error and place the con here, else we will place echo record deleted successfully. Okay, now we are almost done, and now we will run this program in our Google Chrome, and I am going to enter the value, and you can see that we have a 2 record or 3 records is here. So I am going to delete the third record, so I'm just adding 3 and submit it. Okay, now you can see that the record deleted successfully message came, and then I just go and refresh my PHP MyAdmin and see that whether the record was deleted successfully or not. So you can see that the record was deleted successfully here. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and Allah Hafiz.